is a super big and super luxurious living area over here. Such premium design kitchen. So this is our master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we are here at White Meadows by Prestige Groups. Yes, the well-known Prestige Groups. As you know, we have come here for the sample flat tour, and before we go and check out the sample flats, I want to give you some information about Housey. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers and developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by the developers. There's no broker who comes into picture. Before we go and check out our super luxurious sample flat, I want to give you some project overview, project details of this super luxurious White Meadows by Prestige Groups. Yes, firstly, this property is of 28.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 4 towers. The story being 2 basement, ground and 27 floors, variance having 4 BHK for all the flats. Now let's talk about the connectivity. This particular project has its connectivity with ITPL and Whitefield very near to this particular project. We have 45 plus ultra luxurious amenities consisting of clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, senior citizen park, central gardens, sand volleyball court and so on. I cannot wait to take you to a sample flats. Let's go and check out our super luxurious flats. So now we are in front of our 4 BHK sample flat. Let's go and check out our luxurious flat. Come on in. So well, this is our beautiful foyer area. As you can see, the entrance and with the foyer area leading us to the living area. This is a super big and super luxurious living area over here. As you can see, we have a lot of space. You have a big living area over here, and we have a TV unit at the center. Also, we have a lot of space here for you to keep your furnitures, and towards that end of the living area also we have a lot of space. Basically, this living area is really very huge. Well, right next to our living area, we get this balcony, which is pretty big, pretty spacious. Also, we have this big, window kind of doors, which will give you good light and ventilation to your living area. Well, let's go ahead. As this is a very big house, we'll have to walk a bit to reach to the next area. Well, here as you can see, we have the dining area, and here we can literally accommodate a 12-seater dining table. That itself says that this house is extremely big and spacious. So here is the dining area, and you have a lot of space here for any storage or for your decoration needs. Now let's go and check out the common washroom. Well, at this corner, we have a common washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings and a big mirror. So this is the common washroom which we get. So like I said, this is a 4 BHK sample flat. Now let's go and check out our room number 1. Before we go and check out our luxurious bedrooms, let's go and check out our luxurious kitchen. So this is our super stylish, sleek, such premium design kitchen, very spacious. We have an L-shaped big slab. There are these spaces made to store your ovens, and we have a lot of storage space up and even below. Well, as you can see, we have a sink here, and right next to this we have the utility area, which is again extremely big. You can keep a lot of things over here. May it be your washing machines or dishwashers. You get an extra sink here in the utility. Also, we have this small room which can be used as either servant's room or for storage according to your choice and your convenience. And once we move little ahead, we have another common washroom which can be used for your housekeeping washroom, which your housekeeping staff can use. So here also we have anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. So this is one common washroom which you get for your house help. And we again have this area over here. Well, this house is like really very big, so you again get this area. You can use this for your storage, or as you can see, there are some machines kept over here, so it's completely according to your needs and choices. But we have this area here again, which you get with your kitchen. So this was our kitchen and utility, like I said. Now let's go and check out our bedrooms, the super big, super luxurious bedrooms. Come on in. So this is our room number 1. Well, we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We get this shower glass partition which makes it spa-like feels. It gives like spa feels. Windows and mirrors, so the washroom looks really, really good. This is our room number 1. Very big, very big. You can easily accommodate a king size bed in this room. With that, you get this beautiful closet which is very spacious for you to keep your essentials. Having said that, now we see a big window over here which will give you a lot of good light, ventilation, air to your bedroom. And this area, again, it's a TV unit for you to place your TV, and we have some decoration, or there's some storage space which can be used like a bookshelf or for any decor. This is our super beautiful room number 1. Having said that, you can just see the floorings here. We have got wooden floorings for this particular room. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. So once we walk, some steps, we reach the room number 2. And again, I guess every room in this house are extremely big. So this is our room number 2. Extremely big. Like I said, we can easily accommodate a king size or a queen size bed. With that, we have this super premium looking closet for your storage. We also have TV unit for you to place your TV, and we have a lot of space over here. You can either, like make your study or workstation, completely your choice. We have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We have shower glass partition. We have a window. We have this beautiful mirror. So yes, that is the attached washroom which we are getting. And we have a balcony. Yes. So this is a balcony we're getting with room number 2. Extremely big, and you have this really nice, since this is a sample flat, so this is closed, but you'll get extremely beautiful view with the real flat, and it's pretty spacious. So this is our room number 2. Now let's head towards our room number 3, which is the master bedroom. Well, it's a little difficult to say which is a master bedroom because every bedroom looks really big and every bedroom has washroom and balcony, but this has something extra special in it. So this is our master bedroom. But before we enter the master bedroom, I want to give you some more details about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project. Not just that, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. These were the information you had to know about Housey. Now let's go and check out the super luxurious, premium looking master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. And like I said, it's really hard to choose which is a master bedroom because every room is so big. Every room has an attached washroom and it has balcony and it has everything. So basically every room is like a master bedroom, but you can choose according to your taste and convenience. So we have a big space. You can easily accommodate a double size, king size, queen size bed. We have a TV unit so that you can, set up your TV and just sit back, Netflix and chill. And this area can be used for your dressing area, which is very cozy and compact and, pretty looking. And we have this big windows for good light, ventilation, air. So this is right next to your bed, which will give you, it will give you fresh feels early in the morning. And we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We also have shower glass partition. We have a window for ventilation and light, and we have a huge mirror for you to just get ready or groom yourself. So that was our master bedroom. Now let's check out our final bedroom in this particular flat, which is the room number 4. So this bedroom, you can use it as kids room or maybe guest room. So this also is pretty spacious. As you can see, lot of space to walk around the bed, and every room has TV unit opposite to the cot so that you can just, sit back and relax and have your some quality entertainment time. With that, you again get this super big, huge, windows for good light, ventilation, and just to, sit back and see some scenic view. So that's what we get in this particular room. Coming to this area, we have this beautiful closet over here, which can be, of course, used for your storage space. Right next to it, we have this huge washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, big window, we have shower glass partition and mirror, of course. So guys, this was our 4 BHK sample flat tour at Prestige Wide Meadows, which is by the Prestige Group, the very renowned, well-known group. Well, if you want to book your sample flat or if you want to book your free site visit, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Not just that, if you want the e-brochure of this luxurious project, you can get that by clicking on the link given in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the project, location, or the builder, you can let us know by dropping it on the comment section below. Not just that, last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such amazing sample flat tours and for you to know more information about such amazing projects. So that was for today. See you next time with yet another amazing sample flat.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.